Alright, hey guys, welcome back to another video, and I'm still talking. Why are you punching? This dude's punching the TV. Say hi to YouTube, man. Say hi to YouTube. Dude, say hi to YouTube. Well, get in it, bruh. He says hi. His channel's HT Vlogs. Alright, so today, wait, hold on. I'm gonna show you guys my subscribers right now. It'll probably get increased soon, guys. Hey, your channel. 7. Dude, my parents, bro. Alright, guys, so I have 7 subscribers right now. 2 views.
You better subscribe or I'll take your mom's credit card.
To what? I don't know what he's talking about, guys. Secret Life of Pets, I has 2 views and it was 4 hours ago. Has 2 or was 9 views 5 hours ago. I need more subscribers, guys. I want to get up to 10. Alright, guys, so I'm not going to be on YouTube today. I'm just going to be recording a little bit of Roblox today. Maybe about like 5 minutes, though. Let's play. Guys, what should we play? Leave a like, leave a comment to see, because I want to see what you guys want me to review. Like, what kind of videos you guys want me to review. I'm going to review some strucid. I'm not that good at strucid, but who cares? I don't need to go try hard. This dude, man. This guy. Gun skins. Strucid. Beta. Deploy. Deploy. I'm deploying. Oh, FFA. Free for all. This isn't going well, guys. It's so light. I don't even need any light. I'm still recording. Fall damage. I hate fall damage. No, killed by flame whale Matsu. I'm not. Dude, I'm recording. Don't make me leave so I can record, bro. Oh, crap. No. Crap. Whoever did that, you're gonna pay. No. That's why I said I'm bad at. I'm even going try hard right now. Dude, that's a default. He doesn't even have my skin. My skin's the best, bro. Gotta leave a like for that. At least I've got like, I don't have any kills, but I mean like 5. That was really good. Thing right now, bro. Crap. I'm gonna pickaxe this boy. No. What the heck? I'm gonna reach soon. Literally, the match just ended. Come. Hey, deploy! Capture the flag. Alrighty. Poo poo. Where even is everybody? What the heck? That's 'cause I hate Hamburger Helper. Stupid people. I hate it, people. Imagine I got someone with that. That would be amazing. Oh. No! Yes, he has the ring! Crap! I'm really bad at building, guys. No! My... Ah! Hey, everybody here. No! No! Where are these stinking people? Alright, guys, I'm gonna end it here. Sorry, it's short, but I'm gonna have to end it. Stop working. Alright, bye, guys.